Good morning, students. Today we will continue Fair Play part 3rd. In the first and second part you have read that both are friends and if needed anyone, other was ready to help. And now, in a panchayat, Jumman and Algu became enemy and Jumman wanted to take revenge to Algu. In third part, days passed as ill luck would have it. Algu Chaudhary found himself in a tight spot. After some time, unfortunately, Algu Chaudhary found himself in a difficult situation. One of his fine pair of bullocks died, as he had 2 bullocks, but one of them was died, and he sold the other to Samju Sao. And he sold the other bullock to Samju Sao, who was a cart driver of the village. The understanding was that Sao would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time, and there was an agreement according to that Sao would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time. It so happened that the bullock died within a month, and after that the bullock died in a month. It was the unfortunate. It was unlucky. Several months after the bullock's death, Algu reminded Sao of the money he hadn't yet paid. Many months passed after the bullocks. Now Algu reminded Sao of his money, but he didn't pay. Sao got very annoyed. From this, Sao became annoyed, means angry. I can't pay you a penny for the wretched beast you sold me. I didn't pay you a penny. Penny, a single money. The wretched, unlucky. Beast means bullock. Here it means bullock. You sold me. He brought us nothing but ruin. Ruin means destroy. Because of that we have ruined. I have a bullock. Use it for a month and then return it to me. Use it for a month. You can use this bullock for a month and after that return it. I have a bullock. You can use it. No money for the dead bullock. I will not give any money for the dead bullock, he said angrily. Algu decided to refer the case to the panchayat for a second time in a few months. It was the second time Algu decided that he would go to the panchayat, and all preparations were made for holding the panchayat were made, and both the parties started meeting people seeking their support, and both parties started to take help of the people for their support. The panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Algu stood up and said, "The voice of the panch is the voice of God. Let Sao nominate the head panch. I will abide by her decision." Now, the panchayat take place under the same banyan tree where it was taken place before. Algu stood up and said, "The voice of Panch is the voice of God. So, Sao, you can nominate the head Panch, and whatever he would decide, I will follow that decision." Sao saw his chance and proposed the name of Jumman. And now he suggested the name of Jumman. Algu's heart sank and he turned pale, but what he could do? When Algu heard his name, he became pale because now Jumman was his enemy and he was thinking he would take revenge of him. The moment Jumman became head panch, he realized his responsibility as judge and the dignity of his office. The moment Jumman became head panch, and now Jumman became head panch, now he realized what was his responsibility as judge and the dignity of his office. Could he, seated in that high place, have his revenge now? Now he was now head punch, and he was thinking, should it is right that he would take revenge from him? He thought and thought. He thought for a long time. No, he must not allow his personal feelings to come in the way of speaking the truth and doing justice. And now he felt that it is not right that personal enmity or personal feeling came in the way of truth. Both Algu and Sao stated their cases. They were cross-examined, and the case was considered deeply. Then Jumman stood up and announced, "It is our opinion that Sao should pay Algu the price of the blood." Now, it was the decision made by Panchayat that Sao should give the price of Algu. When Sao bought the bullock, it suffered from no disability or disease. At that time, when Sao bought the bullock, there is no disease and there is no any type of disability. The death of the bullock was unfortunate. It was unluckily that the death took place. Algu cannot be blamed for it. We cannot blame Algu for it. Algu could not contain his feelings. He stood up and said loudly over and over again. And now he became very happy. He could not control his feeling. Victory to the Panchayat, this is justice. And now he said, this is the victory of the Panchayat. God lives in the voice of the Panch. Soon after, Jumman came to Algu, embraced him and said, Jumman came to Algu and hugged him and said, "Since the last Panchayat we become enemy. Now we realize what is the meaning of Panch. A Panch has no friend, no enemy. There is no friend and enemy. He knows only justice. Let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship of enmity." Now, let no one deviate, move away from the path of justice and truth for friendship. We should not deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity. All persons are equal. Algu embraced his friend and wept, and his tears washed away all the dirt of misunderstanding between them. And now they became again friends. All misunderstanding were washed away. So students, I think you are able to understand this. Thank you, students.